Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In this video we are going to learn about inline CSS. Open the CSS folder here and make a new file inline css.html. Here also the extension will be HTML. We are going to copy a simple code. Let's write down the code. Give the title inline CSS. We will use a new tag here, that is the meta tag. Char set is equal to UTF-8. This means it will include all the characters available. In the body part, we'll take a simple paragraph. Write anything. Hello, Abhavya. Copy this text multiple times to create a big paragraph. Now save this file. Click on live preview. We can see the paragraph. Now I want to modify this content part in terms of size and color. We are going to modify the styling of the content inside the p tag. We will use the attribute style, and here we will give attributes such as color. I want it to be blue and separate it with a semicolon, and I want the font size to be different. Let me give it 30. Save this file, 30 pixels. Save this file and see. The font size and the color has been changed. We are using it inside the tags. It is known as inline CSS. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to cover internal CSS.